night. My love, are you stuck in a fake life? Can't win if the prize is to waste your time. Now it's wasting mine. And I know that we're close, but I'm lonely. Make me your only, you won't win a trophy, but can I kiss you like this when you hold me? Missing it low-key, I'll say it slowly. It's me or the PS5. Tell me how you wanna spend your night. Three's feeling way too tight. So if it's not me, then I'm probably gonna run it over. Me or the PS5. Tell me which of us is more your type. Seems like you can't decide. So if it's not me, then I'm probably gonna run it over.
My love, no, I'm in for the long ride. I'm not playing games of the wrong kind. Could be keeping secrets and telling lies, but I'm just alive. And I can promise you I'll never play you out by the way to show you I'm grateful. So I'm begging you, 2 minutes only, you'll get a trophy. I'm staying faithful. It's me and the PS5. Tell me why you making me decide. Please don't you see I'm lying? So if you don't leave, I can find a way to win you over. Me and the PS5. Let you know where I'ma be at night. Scores never been this high. So high. So if you don't leave, I can find a way to win you over.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down.
this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me, I'm stunting. And all of my cars are with a push of a button. Telling me I changed since I blew up or whatever you call it. Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my show, you could tell it I'm ballin'. Swish, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top or what you could've saw. But sad to say, it's over for. Phantom pull up, valet, open doors. Wished I go away, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of shit with you.
I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All these fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone.
Are you ready? Are you ready? If you ain't got no money, take your broke home. You say if you ain't got no money, take your broke home.
GLAMOUS, yeah. GLAMOUS. We flying first class up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous. Ooh, flowers, flowers, the glamorous. Glamorous, glamorous, by the glamorous. Ooh, flowers, flowers, the glamorous. Glamorous, glamorous, by the glamorous. Ooh, flowers, flowers. Yellow, golden, diamond rings, all them things don't mean a thing. Chaperones and limousines, shopping for expensive things. I be on the movie screens, magazines and bougie scenes. I'm not clean, I'm not pristine, I'm no queen, I'm no machine. I still go to Taco Bell, drive through Rose Hill. I don't care, I'm still real, no matter how many records I sell. After the show, after the Grammys, I like to go cool out with the family, sipping, reminiscing on days when I had a Mustang. And now I'm first class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous. Ooh, flowers, flowers, the glamorous. The glamorous, glamorous, by the glamorous. Ooh, flowers, flowers, the glamorous. The glamorous, glamorous, by the glamorous. Ooh, flowers, flowers.
I'm talking champagne witnesses, caviar dreams. You deserve nothing but all the finer things. Now this whole world has no clue what to do with us. I got enough money in the bank for the two of us. Plus I gotta keep enough lettuce to support your shoe fetish lifestyle. So rich and famous, Robin Leach will get jealous. $500,000 for the stove, taking trips from here to Rome. So if you ain't got no money, take your broke home.
Flowers, the glamorous, glamorous, by the glamorous. Ooh, flowers, flowers, the glamorous, glamorous, by the glamorous. Ooh, flowers, flowers. I got problems up to here, I got people in my ear telling me these crazy things that I don't wanna know. I got money in the